I'd like to share some pictures with you from the time that I dismantled my large 8 by 12 CNC to be able to move it. This is a picture of the under the machine. The main beam is at your bottom right, and of course everything was seized up with Loctite, so I had to use penetrating oil. So I ruined quite a bit of Allen keys and stripped a lot of screws. The gantry, the track was already taken off, and the gantry was put on blocks. Again, on the other side of the machine, some of the decking had been taken off. The plan was to move all the deck at once, to move it to the other place. That didn't work out. You can see the vacuum system underneath, along with the large beams and the cross for the decking. This is another shot. This is from the back of the CNC. You can see the large beams and decking also. All the screws on the decking were tapered Allen key screws, and almost every one of them was seized. So it's very difficult to take out. Here, I think the gantry's taken. The gantry's taken off. It's put on a table ready to move. This weighs about 500 to 600 pounds with the drill, the spindle taken off, so it's pretty heavy. This is underneath the CNC machine, just a frame. Most of the tubing has been taken off. You can see the decking on top. Now the CNC here has been completely stripped of its decking. All that's left is the electronics and the cable. I had to cut the frame in half and put some wheels on, so the wheels will be welded to the bottom of the CNC. So it's going to be able to roll into pieces. This is at the new location, where it's much smaller. You can see the wheels have been welded on, and so it was easier to move. The wheels clamped together, ready for welding. Here the welds have all been done, and the cross for the decking has started to be assembled. So all the cross members have been installed, ready for the main decking now. So just put the decking in place, and not screwed yet. The side rails have been mounted, as you can see. The gantry, I think at this point, was just lifted onto the CNC, and the alignment is shown by the tape that was put prior to the dismantling. So the black electrical tape, you can see that it aligns. Everything's lifted, so we can put the bolts all together and fasten the gantry to the motors. the spindle was added here because everything was put together, and all that's left now is the electrical. And as you can see, this is a mess here. Everything has to be wire wrapped, heat shrunk, and so it took a long time to remake all the wiring. Thanks for watching.